I'm trying to pass the Top Step Combine, and here were my 3 trades from today. 2 of them on the Combine, both losers, and then 1 was on the real account, and it was a winner. So go figure, I made some real money. That's cool. So here we go. First trade, London low is swept. We had a bullish SMT here. And then from there, this fair value gap got inversed. So we have an IFEG and then a 1 minute break of structure. I took the long and pretty quickly got stopped out. My stop may have been a little too tight because we did not close below. We didn't even go below the inversion. So I did get stopped out a little early. But lesson learned, maybe I will actually put the stop at the low. I would have caught that move. Still, my TP would not have been hit. So not a horrible trade. Second trade, the first 2 items are still the same. We still have London low is swept and then the bullish SMT. But then we also had a 5 minute bullish engulfing and the 1 minute break of structure. So I had entered again, and this one got closer to TP, but it didn't hit and it came back down and stopped me out. So those were my 2 trades, totaling a negative $223 on the Combine. But then the real account, this is more of a continuation trade. We were so close to the Asia and London highs that I just, it's an intuition, right? They're going to hit if we're that close. And so I had taken the small pullback entry. Let me see here. This small pullback entry, I saw a little bit of drawdown. My stop was at the low, and then we had come up and actually hit Asia high, so I was able to take profit. If I had held longer, I could have possibly held. I don't know if we hit previous day high. Wow, we came extremely close. We did hit previous day high. So all the TPs did get run, but nonetheless, I took 2 losses on the Combine and a win on the real account. So overall, the day is a win to me. Like I said, I am going to start recapping my trades on here. My, I guess, afterthought is I didn't have a clear daily profile. If you look, London was sweeping the low, or I'm sorry, New York was sweeping London lows on ES, but when you go to NQ, we had swept London highs. So one is doing the lows, one is doing the highs. It's kind of a weird place to be at, but then we had the bullish SMT. Because of that, I was committed to the long. So overall, I was correct on the direction. I just think maybe my stop losses were tight. Maybe stop loss should be under the SMT, because if stop loss is under that SMT, give it a little bit of room. Maybe I don't even get stopped out on the second trade, and then I'm still able to TP at previous day high. That's a 1 to 2. So not horrible, but thank y'all for watching. I am going to start doing this more often. First trade was negative $82. Second trade was negative $141. And this one, it's a real account, so I'm not going to say, but it's a small account, so nothing too crazy. But thank y'all very much. Make sure y'all subscribe, and let's get funded.